Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a fail to open the group policy object on this computer. You may not have the appropriate rights. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open a file explorer and click on these three dots and go to your options. After that, click on a view options and make sure that selected as show hidden file folder and drives. I have already selected. After that, click on OK button and go to your C drive. After doing this step, go to your Windows. After that, go to your system 32. Scroll down and find out a system 32. Now here is a system 32. Open it. After that, open a group policies. Now here is a group policies. So open it. After opening that, right click on show more options and rename machine dot old. Click yes to continue. After that, close it. In the search box, type a group, edit group policies. Now here is. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.